When you press the key of a keyboard, imagine underneath it are sort of avenues and streets which aren't connected yet. They don't connect until you press down on the key. You create an electrical connection. The computer reads exactly what the location of that connection is, and maybe it's the letter P or the letter Q or something like that.
The electrical connection, or signal, is sent as bits along a wire to the ROM BIOS chip, read-only memory, basic input-output system. It is responsible for translating keystrokes into instructions a machine can understand. Inside, there is a pre-inscribed table that matches voltage levels with letters and symbols and assigns a binary code. The P is then sent to the central processing unit. The CPU is the computer's main coordinator. In most PCs, it consists of a single silicon chip. One of the CPU's responsibilities is to display letters on the screen. It does this by calling up a mini program from random access memory, the area that temporarily stores instructions. That program translates binary numbers into letters, symbols, and pictures, doing the work we bought the computer for in the first place. A computer has two kinds of memory, RAM and ROM. Instructions in the BIOS chip are an example of permanent memory. They are built into the hardware, still there when the machine is off.
Think of ROM as letters carved in stone, and think of RAM as words written on the blackboard. And when you're finished with the words written on the blackboard, you just wipe them out.
RAM is where working information goes. It is stored in the form of electrical charges in tiny silicon memory cells that hold information only when the computer is on. When the power fails, it is instant amnesia. Thousands of instructions in a word processing program are loaded into RAM. They are loaded from some form of external storage, either removable disks, such as DVDs or CD-ROMs, which use lasers to burn information into polycarbonate disks, or a hard drive which uses magnetized metal alloys to store data. Whatever the storage device, it is simply making a recording of program instructions. More complex operations like adding, subtracting, and comparing data are also a function of the CPU. The arithmetic logic unit is housed within the CPU and is responsible for the computing part. It works very, very fast.
When you press